This is an AI-generated fictional video intended for entertainment and education. Welcome to the era of intelligent avocado production, where every single fruit is more than food. It is a refined unit of data in our operation. We begin in the high-tech orchards, where digital precision meets the natural world to cultivate the finest raw materials for our extra virgin extraction process. Integrated sensors monitor the microclimate of every tree, ensuring that environmental factors are perfectly tuned for optimal lipid development within the ripening fruit pulp. Automated harvesters utilize soft grip technology to gather the fruit without causing any bruising, preserving the integrity of the delicate cellular structure inside the avocado. This textured exterior hides the green gold we seek, and only the most perfect specimens will be chosen to proceed through our advanced mechanical architecture. Now, the journey from the field to the factory is seamless, maintaining a controlled environment to prevent any oxidation or degradation of the valuable oils inside. Our facility is designed with a logical flow, optimizing every meter of space to ensure maximum efficiency from the initial sorting to the final bottling stage. Precision is the cornerstone of our operation as we calculate the potential yield of every batch through rigorous weight and volume measurements at the start. As the sun sets on the harvest, the factory lights hum with the energy of 1,000 sensors ready to analyze the night's incoming fruit. The volume of production is matched only by the attention to detail, as we prepare for the intense mechanical journey of extraction and purification ahead. This is the intersection of mechanical engineering and biology, where data drives the pursuit of the world's most nutritious and pure avocado oil products. The computer vision system activates, scanning 10 tons of avocado per hour to identify size, shape, and external defects with absolute digital certainty and speed. Laser mapping technology creates a three-dimensional profile of every fruit, allowing the system to calculate the exact volume and density before the extraction begins. Sophisticated AI algorithms analyze these scans in real time, predicting the internal quality and ensuring that only the most oil-rich fruits move forward in the line. Near-infrared spectroscopy peers through the thick skin, non-destructively measuring the lipid content and dry matter to guarantee the highest quality of the final oil. Unsuitable fruits are instantly identified and removed by high-speed pneumatic ejectors, maintaining a uniform standard of ripeness that is essential for premium oil extraction. The sorting process is a dance of physics and computation, operating at speeds that human eyes could never hope to replicate with such consistent accuracy. Uniform spacing is critical for the sensors to work effectively, preventing any overlap that might lead to an incorrect assessment of the fruit's internal quality. Real-time data visualization allows our engineers to monitor the health of the harvest as it enters the factory, making adjustments to the machinery instantly. The atmosphere is one of sterile efficiency, where the cold glow of technology replaces traditional farming methods to reach new heights of industrial purity. Every millimeter of the surface is scrutinized, as even the smallest blemish could affect the delicate flavor profile of our extra virgin avocado oil. Throughput is maximized without sacrificing quality, as our AI-driven eyes see everything in a fraction of a second, ensuring a continuous flow of perfection. The mechanical components are engineered for longevity and precision, supporting a system that operates 24 hours a day during the peak of the season. Human oversight remains vital, as our specialists use mobile interfaces to track the performance of the vision systems and ensure the algorithms are optimized. The result of this phase is a perfectly curated batch of avocados, ready to undergo the deep cleaning process required for premium food production standards. From a single fruit to 10 tons per hour, the architecture of sorting is the first pillar of our journey toward the perfect oil extraction. The purification phase begins with high-pressure water jets that remove surface debris, ensuring that only the purest fruit enters the sensitive extraction machinery. Ultrasonic cleaning technology uses high-frequency sound waves to create microscopic bubbles that gently scrub the skin, removing impurities without damaging the delicate fruit. This molecular level of cleaning is essential for extra virgin oil, as any external contaminants could potentially alter the chemical balance and taste of the oil. As the fruit emerges from the bath, it is pristine and ready, having been cleaned to a standard that exceeds conventional agricultural processing methods. Precision drying is the next step, as excess water must be eliminated to prevent any dilution of the oil during the subsequent crushing and malaxation phases. Heat is carefully controlled during drying to ensure the fruit remains at an optimal temperature, protecting the heat-sensitive antioxidants found within the avocado pulp. A final mechanical brushing ensures every avocado is polished and free of any residual particles, reflecting our commitment to absolute purity in every drop. The air knife technology uses a high-velocity blade of air to strip moisture instantly, preparing the surface for the mechanical transformation that follows. The scale of the washing system is impressive, capable of handling a continuous stream of fruit while maintaining the highest levels of hygiene and safety. Water quality is constantly monitored and recycled through a multi-stage filtration system, minimizing environmental impact while ensuring the highest standards of cleanliness. Now, the clean fruit moves toward the mechanical heart of the facility, where the physical structure of the avocado will be expertly deconstructed. This is the point of no return, where the fruit transitions from a solid state into the beginnings of a nutrient-rich emerald green paste. Every motor and fan is synced through a central nervous system, ensuring that the preparation phase perfectly matches the pace of the extraction line. The preparation is complete, and the architectural precision of our process is ready to unlock the liquid energy stored within these green fruits. Cleanliness is the foundation of quality, and in our advanced washing and drying protocols, ensure that the journey ahead starts with absolute perfection. Inside the hammer mill, stainless steel blades rotate at 3,000 revolutions per minute, precision engineered to crush the avocado into a uniform paste. This mechanical shearing force breaks open the microscopic plant cells, releasing the tiny droplets of oil that have been stored within the fruit's tissue. Simultaneously, the depitter removes the seeds and skin, ensuring that only the rich flesh is used for the high-grade extra virgin oil extraction process. These byproduct materials are not wasted. The seeds and skins are diverted for secondary industrial uses, keeping our production cycle efficient and sustainable. The resulting paste is a concentrated mixture of oil, water, and fruit solids, moving through sealed conduits to prevent any exposure to the outside air. Pressure and speed are balanced perfectly to maximize cell rupture while avoiding the generation of excessive heat, which could damage the oil's delicate nutrients. The sound of the industry is a rhythmic drone, a testament to the power required to transform tons of fruit into a liquid-ready state. At the microscopic level, we are performing a precise structural deconstruction, turning a biological solid into a complex fluid matrix for easier oil separation. Uniformity is key. A smoother paste allows for more efficient oil release during the malaxation phase, ensuring that no drop of value is left behind. Samples are taken periodically to check the particle size, ensuring that the grinding equipment is maintaining its sharp edge and high performance. Centrifugal screening provides another layer of refinement, filtering out larger fibers to create a paste that is perfectly primed for the delicate extraction process. The flow is continuous and controlled. At the green river of potential moving toward the most critical phase of the architectural operation, the malaxation. Heat management is automated, with water-cooled jackets on the machinery, ensuring that the paste never exceeds the strict limits required for cold-pressed certification. The first signs of oil appear as a subtle shimmer, a hint of the liquid gold that is about to be fully liberated from the pulp. The physical transformation is complete, and the avocado is now a high-density fluid, ready for the slow and patient magic of the malaxation tanks. The malaxation process is a slow, rhythmic dance where the avocado paste is gently stirred to encourage the small oil droplets to merge into larger ones. This movement is deliberate and steady, designed to maximize the coalescence of oil without introducing air or excess heat into the sensitive mixture. Maintaining a temperature below 28 degrees Celsius is vital for preserving the polyphenols and the vibrant, fresh aroma of the extra virgin oil. This phenomenon, known as coalescence, is the heart of malaxation, where physics does the work that chemicals would otherwise perform in lesser processes. Observation is key, as our experts monitor the changing texture and color of the paste, which indicates when the oil is ready for separation. The paste transforms from a matte green to a deep glossy emerald as the oil becomes more accessible, ready to be drawn out by the centrifuge. Time is our most valuable ingredient here. 45 minutes of patient stirring allows the natural enzymes to help break down the remaining cell structures. Once the malaxation is complete, the mixture is perfectly conditioned, with the oil now fully liberated and ready for the high-speed centrifugal revolution. This hall of stainless steel represents the patience of our process, where the natural chemistry of the avocado is respected and enhanced through engineering. To prevent oxidation, we inject inert nitrogen into the tanks, ensuring that the oil remains as fresh as the moment the fruit was picked. The mechanical reliability of these systems is essential, providing the consistent torque needed to move tons of dense paste with unwavering precision. Laboratory checks during malaxation ensure that the chemical profile is developing correctly, maintaining the strict standards required for the extra virgin grade. The consistency is now perfect, a delicate balance of solids and liquids ready to be torn apart by the extreme forces of the centrifuge. Every second is accounted for in our architectural plan, ensuring that no batch is overprocessed or underdeveloped during this crucial stage of extraction. The conditioned paste is now moving toward the climax of the production line, where gravity will be multiplied by thousands to achieve total separation. The environment is kept at a constant temperature and humidity, further protecting the integrity of the product as it transitions through the factory. The microscopic world is now organized and ready, as the oil droplets have found each other through the persistent and gentle mechanical agitation. Centralized control ensures that every tank is performing at its peak, allowing for a continuous and harmonious flow of production throughout the facility. This marks the end of the patient stirring and the beginning of the high-speed revolution that will finally reveal the liquid gold. The decanter centrifuge is a marvel of mechanical engineering, spinning at high speeds to create forces thousands of times greater than Earth's gravity. Under this extreme centrifugal pressure, the mixture is instantly separated based on density, with the heavy solids, water, and light oil forming distinct layers. The solid waste, or pomace, is continuously removed, leaving behind the liquid phases that contain the valuable avocado oil and fruit water. This is the first look at the raw oil, thick and vibrant, carrying the intense color and nutrients that define a true extra virgin product. The oil is rich with chlorophyll and carotenoids, giving it a unique hue that distinguishes it from any other type of vegetable or fruit oil. To achieve absolute purity, the oil undergoes a second stage of vertical centrifugation, spinning at even higher speeds to remove any remaining microscopic water. By applying forces equivalent to thousands of Gs, we ensure that the separation is absolute, resulting in oil that is clear and shelf-stable. The high-pitched hum of the machinery is the sound of precision, a mechanical revolution that has perfected the art of liquid separation over decades. This phase is a battle of physics against time, using extreme force to achieve in seconds what would take weeks under normal gravity conditions. The oil emerging from this stage is strikingly beautiful, a clear and radiant liquid that represents the very essence of the avocado fruit. Flow sensors monitor the output in real time, ensuring that the extraction efficiency is maximized and that every drop of oil is accounted for. Once separated, the oil is moved into stainless steel holding tanks, where it is kept under a nitrogen blanket to prevent any contact with oxygen. The architecture of this room is designed for power and cleanliness, a high-tech heart that beats with the rhythm of centrifugal extraction technology. Consistency is the hallmark of our process. Thank you for watching our entire video. To make sure you don't miss any in-depth videos, please subscribe, share the video, and turn on notifications.